Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Questyle NHB15 wired earbuds. These aren't your average earbuds. They're designed with audiophiles in mind, boasting some impressive features. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The Questyle NHB15 exudes elegance with its chrome-like finish and a cable designed to wrap around your ears for a secure fit. The earbuds feel premium and sturdy, which is always a good sign for durability. Now, onto the most important part: sound quality. These earbuds feature an integrated DAC that supports up to 24-bit 192 kHz audio. What does that mean? Well, it translates to crystal clear, distortion-free audio that really brings out the details in your music. Whether you're into bass-heavy tracks or vocals that need clarity, the NHB15 delivers. In terms of features, the NHB15 keeps it simple yet effective. It's designed for pure audio performance rather than loading up on extras like ANC or ambient modes. This might be a drawback if you're used to those conveniences, but if you prioritize sound quality over everything else, you'll appreciate what these earbuds offer. Comfort-wise, Questyle includes 5 different ear tip sizes to ensure a snug fit for everyone. The wrap-around cable design adds to the stability, making these earbuds suitable for extended listening sessions without discomfort. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: price. These aren't budget earbuds by any means. They're priced higher than many competitors, reflecting their premium build and audio performance. If you're serious about high-resolution audio and don't mind investing in quality, the NHB15 could be worth considering. To wrap it up, the Questyle NHB15 wired earbuds are tailored for those who prioritize audiophile-grade sound over bells and whistles. With their built-in DAC and impeccable audio clarity, they cater to music enthusiasts who want to experience their favorite tracks in the highest fidelity possible. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.